Look, we were a pretty tight crew, and the ladies, they loved us a lot. Every weekend we'd head out and lap up all the attention, but it just got to his head. He started looking after himself. I was lucky if we hung out once a month. I don't want to be all sensitive, it's not my style, but from the outside, everything was fine, but inside, I was not in good condition. I gave him a piece of my mind. But to him, it was just noise.
When your engine talks, are you listening? Castrol Magnatec. Instant protection from the moment you start.